Guys, we got the Gucci box. Look, we got some Jordans right here. Ooh, Louis Vuitton bag. And look, guys. Oh, I think something's in it. What is going on, guys? I am back with another storage unit video, and I only paid $40 for this unit. Y'all, this is a 10 by 10, and it's huge. Check this out. All this stuff that's in it. Look at all this stuff right here, guys, for only $40. Yeah, I know. It's not a lot of stuff, but
oh, that's so funny.
I seen a pair of Yeezys in the picture, so I was like, you know what, $40? I can't go wrong with spending $40, you know, because if some Yeezys are in it, it may be some other good stuff in it. So we're gonna go ahead, guys, and get to going in the unit. And like I said, the Yeezys with, look, a little spider right there. Little spiders on it. Yeah, run, spider, run. Run, run, run. Here's how the Yeezys looked before I cleaned them. They had so much dirt on them. I didn't know it was that bad. So I had to spend a lot of time on cleaning these shoes. But now, here's how they look after. Got a whole bunch of broken glass here. I don't know what happened right here, but yeah, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, they must have dropped it, I don't know. But we have a bag right here. And matter of fact, I'm tripping, guys. Let me put on my gloves. I'm tripping. Got my gloves on. Let's go ahead and get this thing popping, yo. All right, we have, looks like a lot of clothes in here. I think this is the little clothing bag right here. Yeah, I just feel nothing but clothes in it. So we're gonna slide this over here. All right, let's check this bag out. And it looks like, yeah, it's just more clothes. But look, we got some Jordans right here. Cobwebs on it. But look, some Jordan 1s. Nice, and here's the other pair right here. Let's go. And again, these Jordans were extremely dirty, but it didn't take me long to get them cleaned up. But here's how they looked before, and now here's how they look after I clean them. All right, we have a Reebok box, and it feels like something's in it. Let's check. Oh, spider webs all over it, man. All right, how do you open this thing? All right, here we go. Ooh, okay. And they're brand spanking new. Look at this, y'all. Never used before. Brand new Reeboks. Let's go. All right, we got a huge frying pan, but check this out. Louis Vuitton. This is crazy. Uh-oh, something's in it too. Let's check it out. It's a box in there. Man, it keeps sliding. Okay, yeah, the box is super empty. Let's look inside the box though. See if anything is in it. Yeah, it's just empty. An empty box. Yep. But these bags and boxes still sell on eBay for good money. Hopefully something could be in this box. Nah, this one's empty too. And then this is a big box right here, but it feels like something's in it. Let's see. Nope, it's empty. Just a little price tag in there. Let's see what they paid for it. So they paid $400 suit supply. Okay, well this is not Louis Vuitton, but yeah, let's see about this one. Okay, the receipt is in here. So they paid, ooh, look guys, $1,000. Cha-ching. But hopefully the stuff is over there somewhere. Hopefully. Let's keep it going. Got a nasty pillow. All right, we have the other pair of Yeezys right here. Got the box. Oops, nothing's in here. Oh, something is in here. What is this? Don't know if this is anything good. Oh, it's just laces. So y'all, the shoes might be in here. Let's keep going. All right, let's check this box out. Pretty big. All right, and we have just a suit supply. So this must have been the shirt that they bought. All right, we got a Jordan box right here, and it feels a little heavy. Hey, get some Jordan 6s in here, y'all. A infrared. Let's go. And y'all only paid $40 for this unit. It's crazy. All right, we have a Balenciaga box, and nothing's in it. It might be over here, guys, because I see a little green, probably Gucci box. We're gonna save this box right here for last. Let's go over here, and it looks like it's more clothes, y'all. Just more. Yep, more clothes. All right, we have a trash bag right here, a tissue, a hoodie. Ooh, we got a Nike jacket. Got the Louis Vuitton bag. And look, guys. Oh, I think something's in it. Listen. Do y'all feel that? I mean, y'all hear that? Let's see. Come on, man. Ooh. What does this say? Johnny, Dang, and O, and CO. Let's see if it's in here. And nothing's in it. Dang it. Don't know if this right here is worth anything. Sometimes you can sell watch boxes on eBay and they're worth like really good money. All right, we have the last box right here, and we're gonna go through the shoes now. And it doesn't feel like anything's in it. Yep, just paperwork. Yep, nothing, just paperwork. Let's see what's in here. I hear change. What is this? Ooh, got some look twistables. Whole bunch of change right here. We have a huge box with look, a Gucci box is in there, Jordan box, and a whole bunch of other boxes. Hopefully, guys, the shoes are in here. I have not checked it, but we're about to look right now. Let's check it out. All right, we got this box. Hey, some more Jordan. These are Jordan 13s, baby. Let's go, let's go. So these shoes weren't as dirty as the other ones, but they still need to be cleaned a little bit. So now let's look at how they look after I clean them. Guys, we got the Gucci box. Might be in here, guys. Dang it, it ain't in here. Dang, man. All right, we have another Louis Vuitton box, and it feels like something's in it. Let's just double check. Okay. Oh, just a dust bag, but that's about it. So it looks like he took a lot of the stuff. All right, we have a Jordan box here, and it is empty. Yep. Dang. We have some Timberlands right here. Some all black Timberland boots. Nice. All right, we have a little Louis Vuitton box thing that goes over the big box. So, yeah, put that together. Got the little Jordan top. And then the last box, guys, it's down here. I hope it has some shoes in here. And it does. Y'all, what is it gonna be? What do y'all think it's gonna be? Let me know. Let me know what type of Jordan. Jordan 1, Jordan 4, Jordan 10s, Jordan 11s. Let's see, guys. Here we go. Hey, okay. Jordan 11s, baby. Nice. These are the bread 11s. Sweet. Let's go. And they are authentic. Wow. That's crazy. And just like the other shoes, I had to give these a deep clean as well. But now, look at the outcome. Off of a $40 unit. Wow, y'all. This is a straight come up. Wow, y'all, this was a crazy unit for only $40. 40, y'all. $40 for this unit. and I don't know how much money I'm gonna make, but it's gonna be good, y'all. So look, listen, if you guys have not subscribed to our channel yet, we come out with storage unit videos every single week. We might start like doing some thrifting videos. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more thrifting videos from us, because we used to do thrifting videos all the time, and we haven't done it in a long time. We haven't been to the thrift store in like a very long time. So you guys let us know if you want to see more thrifting and storage unit videos from us. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.